16 hidden cruise tricks cruise lines are keeping quiet on purpose. They won't tell you this, but cruise ships intentionally oversell certain cabins. You could be upgraded for free or stranded with nothing. Today, we're diving into 16 cruise line secrets they hope you never find out. From shady pricing schemes to sneaky onboard rules, these tricks could save or cost you hundreds. Number 1. The hidden upgrade list you never knew existed. Ever heard of the secret upgrade list? Most cruisers haven't, but it's real and it's sneaky. Cruise lines often overbook lower-tier cabins, expecting last-minute cancellations. But when everyone actually shows up, they need to move guests up. That's when the phantom upgrade list comes into play, an unofficial roster of passengers marked as flexible, loyal, or just friendly. Here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes, just calling the cruise line and casually asking about upgrade possibilities gets you flagged. Other times, politely checking again at port check-in triggers a bump. And loyalty status? It matters, but being proactive matters more. Ask twice. Ask early. Smile often. The free upgrade game is real if you play it. Free upgrades often go to those who simply asked. No joke. Number 2, port fees double charged. Here's how. Think your cruise fare covers everything? Think again. Hidden deep in your booking receipt, you'll often find port fees listed separately. But here's the twist. Some ports charge both the cruise line and you, even though you're just one passenger stepping off the boat. Cruise lines quietly pass those extra charges onto you, sometimes padding the cost without explanation. And most travelers never notice because it's lumped in with taxes. If you call customer service and request a breakdown, you may uncover charges you weren't supposed to pay. And yes, they do issue refunds. Always ask for a fair breakdown. Those port fees might be padded. Number 3, beverage packages that trick you. That unlimited drink package sounds like a dream, until you realize you're paying for drinks you'll never touch. Most packages require you to drink 6 to 8 beverages a day just to break even. Cruise lines know the average guest won't hit that mark, but they'll still shell out hundreds up front. Even worse, both adults in the cabin usually have to buy it, even if only one drinks. And don't forget, some included drinks like specialty coffees or fresh juices aren't actually covered unless you get the premium plan. Do the math before you sail. You might be better off skipping the package and sipping smarter. The drink deal often drinks you. Calculate, don't assume. Number 4, free room service? Only at this hour. Room service sounds like a luxury until you see the bill. What many cruisers don't realize is that room service is only free during certain hours, usually late at night or early in the morning. Outside that window, even basic orders like sandwiches or coffee can rack up surprise charges. Cruise lines cleverly advertise complimentary service, but bury the time restrictions in fine print. Miss the window, and you'll pay up. But here's the workaround. Check your ship's app or dining guide on day 1 and set a reminder for the free hours. Order smart. Midnight munchies might be your secret savings window. Room service isn't free all day, only in the shadows. Number 5, private lounges that aren't so private. You've probably seen them, those sleek, roped-off lounges labeled exclusive access only. But here's the twist. Many of these so-called VIP areas aren't as restricted as they seem. In fact, some allow entry to anyone who simply asks or flashes the right travel credit card. Cruise lines count on guests being too shy or too uninformed to challenge the velvet rope. But crew members have discretion, and when occupancy is low, they often bend the rules for polite or curious passengers. Ask with confidence. You might just score free snacks, oceanfront views, and a quiet escape, no status required. Exclusivity is often an illusion. Ask once, you might unlock it all. Number 6, dynamic pricing algorithms that target you. Ever noticed cruise prices jump after you check them once? That's not your imagination. It's algorithmic stalking. Cruise lines use dynamic pricing models that track your browsing habits. The more interest you show, the higher the fare creeps. It's digital bait and switch. Cookies, browser history, even your IP address feed into this pricing trap. Some users have reported $100 to $300 differences just by switching to incognito mode or checking from a different device. and using a VPN to simulate a different location that can trigger international discounts cruise lines won't advertise. Clear cookies. Browse smart. Don't let the algorithm upsell your dream vacation. They're watching your clicks and raising prices accordingly. Number 7. The cabin noise trap. That great deal on a cabin might come with a pounding headache. Cruise lines won't warn you if your room is directly under the gym, pool deck, nightclub, or theater. But once you're aboard, you'll quickly find out. Thudding weights, scraping chairs, and bass-heavy music don't stop at midnight. These cabins are often priced lower to move inventory fast, and unsuspecting travelers think they've scored a bargain, until they're kept up all night by salsa lessons or early morning Zumba. Soundproofing? Not as good as you think. Always check ship deck plans before booking. A quiet room equals a restful cruise. The wrong cabin ruins sleep and the whole trip. Number 8. The $0 drink hack. It's not water. Think the only free drink on board is water? Think again. Most cruise ships quietly offer complimentary juices, iced tea, or lemonade, but they don't advertise it.
Why?
Because they'd rather you pay $5 for the same drink at a bar. These free options are usually tucked away at the buffet or near self-serve stations, far from the high-traffic areas. New cruisers walk right past without ever knowing. And yes, you can refill as often as you want. No drink package required. Scout the buffet early. Locate the hidden dispensers. Save $50 in soda without lifting your SeaPass. Free drinks exist, you just have to find them. Number 9. Disembarcation delay game. Think the chaotic end-of-cruise delays are just poor planning? Think again. Cruise lines intentionally slow down disembarkation for some guests to upsell premium waiting lounges, priority exit packages, or spa access while you wait. It's less about comfort and more about squeezing out one last charge. The trick? Those with minimal luggage who request self-assist disembarcation often get off the ship first. But the cruise line won't volunteer that info unless you ask at guest services on day 1. Pack light. Ask early. Skip the paid lounges and walk off like a VIP for free. Disembark fast or pay for patience. If these cruise tricks have surprised you so far, imagine what's still coming. Tap that like button if you've ever been blindsided on a cruise, and subscribe for more travel hacks the industry won't share. Number 10. The Excursion Markup Scam. Booking excursions through the cruise line feels safe, but you're likely overpaying by 40% or more. The cruise takes a hefty cut from local tour operators, inflating prices for the exact same zipline, snorkel trip, or city tour you could have booked dockside for half the cost. Even worse? Some excursions offered by the ship are just rebranded versions of local services, with fewer perks and more people crammed in. Independent vendors often include extras like lunch, photos, or smaller group sizes. Do your research before you board. Same adventure, less crowd, and a fatter wallet. The ship sells convenience. Locals offer value. Number 11. Cruise credits that disappear overnight. Onboard credit feels like free money until it vanishes into thin air. What cruise lines don't tell you is that unused credits expire the moment you disembark. There's no rollover, no refund, and definitely no warning. Many guests forget to spend their last few dollars, only to realize too late that those credits could have covered a specialty coffee, a souvenir, or even part of a tip. The trick? Check your balance daily and use it before your final night. Shops often stay open late just for this reason. Spend it all. Cruise lines are counting on your forgetfulness. Onboard credit. Use it or lose it, literally. Number 12. Laundry day loophole. Cruise lines love charging $50 or more for a small bag of laundry, and they assume you'll cave halfway through your trip. But here's the loophole. You can do your own laundry quietly and effectively with just 2 items, a travel clothesline and a few magnetic hooks. Most cabin bathrooms have a retractable line, but it's short. Use the magnets to string your own drying space across the cabin or even out on the balcony. Wash your clothes in the sink with travel detergent, hang them up, and they'll dry overnight thanks to the ship's constant airflow. Fresh clothes. 0 charges. Total freedom. DIY laundry beats overpriced fluff and fold. Number 13. Unadvertised themed nights. Think you know the ship's full schedule? Think again. Some of the most fun-themed nights, like Glow Night, Tropical Takeover, or even 80s parties, aren't officially listed anywhere. They're whispered between staff, quietly mentioned in certain lounges, or only shared with loyalty members. The result? Half the ship shows up in costume, and the other half is left out, wondering why everyone's dressed like disco pirates. But here's the secret. Ask your stateroom attendant or dining staff early in the week. They almost always know what's coming. Be in the know. Show up ready, and become part of the magic. The best parties are the ones they don't advertise. Number 14, the Casino Smoke Shuffle. Casinos on cruise ships are one of the few indoor areas where smoking is often still allowed, and cruise lines don't exactly broadcast when those rules shift. But here's the kicker. Smoking permissions change based on time and crowd levels, and those shifts can work in your favor. Early mornings, port days, and slow nights often see the casino switch to non-smoking without any big announcement. That's when the air clears, the crowds thin, and the odds feel a little more in your favor.
Time your play.
Catch the clean air window and leave without smelling like an ashtray. The best bets are made when the smoke clears. Number 15, the buffet reset trick. Think that buffet tray is freshly made? Not always. Cruise kitchens are masters of repurposing. Yesterday's pasta might become today's casserole, and leftover breakfast sausage? It's now part of the chef's special. It's not unsafe, but it's definitely not fresh either. Buffets quietly reset dishes between meals to reduce waste, which means latecomers often get the recycled round. That just made feel? It's only real during opening minutes. Show up an hour late, and you're dining on leftovers. Arrive early. First scoop gets the freshest plate. The buffet rewards the early and punishes the late. Number 16, the loyalty status shortcut. Think elite cruiser perks take years to earn? Cruise lines hope you believe that. But there's a little-known shortcut. Book 2 short back-to-back cruises, or a single repositioning voyage, and you can rack up loyalty points fast without a long or expensive commitment. Some cruise lines count each cruise segment as a separate sailing, even if you're just switching cabins or staying on the same ship. That means free upgrades, priority boarding, welcome gifts, and lounge access could be just 2 trips away, not 20. Strategic bookings beat slow climbing. Fast-track your way to VIP status. Loyalty isn't about time. It's about knowing the game.